Sometimes, all we need is a little reminder to slow down and trust God. Let God has 52 pages and 10 comforting contents. 10 contents, 52 pages. Each content may Bible verse. Basahan ko kayo ng isa, guys. Dito tayo sa chapter 2. Have you ever found yourself weighed down by the thoughts, opinions, or judgment of others? It's a common experience. We find ourselves caught in the web of trying to live up to someone else's expectations or worrying about what others think of us. But here's a liberating truth. You don't need to carry the burden of others' opinion. Ito na ang Bible verse, guys. Am I now trying to win the approval of human beings or of God? Or am I trying to please people? If I were still trying to please people, I would not be a servant of Christ. Galatians 1 verse 10. This can help to calm your mind and heart. Perfect for quiet moments and healing days. Saan sa pakiramdam basahin? Get yours too.